Who's got it? Thijs.
Dad, you're going way too fast now.
Pull.
Lex got that one.
Pull.
Think about it again.
Young, pull 5. Young. 5.
No, Thijs.
Pull.
What are you shooting? 5?
Ja, sorry.
Ik heb mijn beurt geoverschreven bij 3 keer van de jongens. Lex en Thijs. Alle 2. Ik kom met de streetpickers. Come on.
Wait for Thijs.
What am I shooting?
Thijs, I'll get Thijs's misses.
5.
Okay. Well, who's pulling?
Pull.
Did you get it?
Yeah.
No misses on that one.
You want to sit behind him when you...
Pull.
Alright, shoot something else, tough guy.
Wow. I want 2 bullets.
You only need 1, Thijs.
1 and a 2. I mean 1 and a... I'll go 5 and 3.
Okay. You can do that.
Okay, let me get mine, double. Let me double it. I put another one in the bottom.
Yeah, throw it in the bottom.
Why? He's got to put up 2 in.
I already put the other one in the bottom here.
Don't shoot. Don't shoot.
Yeah, the other one I already cocked in there. So
Yeah, just put it in.
You just 5 and 3. It's just a 5, and when you shoot it, then you hit 3 again.
Alright.
Okay, so 5 first, then 3. But after you shoot.
Go, whenever you guys are going. I don't know.
He's probably gonna hit 5. Try to hit 3.
Thijs, fight 3. You tell me when to go.
Go. Whatever you want, that's your call.
Pull it.
Up
Pull
top,
it.
up top, up top.
Oh.
So hard, dude, to get it. John, pull 5.
You pull it in like this. Just go.
Oh, don't make a one long video. Make videos.
That's your call.
Bunch of them.
Lex, what do you want? What's a 2?
Choose the green one.
Alright, go 5 and then 2.
5 and then 2. Okay.
Yeah. Pull.
2 tight.